Hi friends, it's the end of the month, rather it's the 1st of December, and you know what's coming? It's the total monthly earnings update video for the month of November. You all know who have been loyal to the channel since my early days. I uploaded my first earning videos on 2018, right? And I have been doing it henceforth, and I do it every month now. At first I used to do it 6 months because my earning was so low. Anyway, so with the help of all of your support and my hard work and dedication, I am able to now achieve monthly earnings. So here is the update for the month of November. So if you are new here and if you want to start stock photography and be motivated, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up to make it sure that this video reaches everyone, and it also helps my channel and others to get motivated. Right off the bat, let me tell you, my earnings have been zero. I had zero sales in Picxy. So you see, last sale happened in October, no sales in Picxy. Same in 0.5. So 10, 2310 and 1710, no sales. Also in case of 123 RF, which has been very strange, that there has been no sales, zero sales in last November 2022, and in October 22 finally I am seeing some sales for $0.38. I don't know whether this is a glitch or not, but I will update you because I can't see the sale of November. Last time when I made a video about my sales, I wasn't able to see the sales of 123 RF in October 2022. Maybe they are displaying the sales at a later date. Okay, so for now I will consider it to be my earning to be zero. I will make a dedicated video on 123 RF when the earnings shows up, and those who have seen my last sales video, you can add $4.38 from 123 RF to that total income. Okay, so I will start from the least to the best. So let me start with big stock. In the month of November, from 1st November to 1st December, I had one image sold and $0.25 earning, right? So for those who are just starting to see my video, you will say, oh my god, what bad earning. And moreover, you can see this one single sale okay, happened on the last day of November. So 30th November, of course it was an editorial photo, but still sale is a sale. Okay, next, Alami. I had no sales last month, but this month I had two sales. So in 14 November, both on the day of 14 November. So one was $5.23 and next was $2.28. So let me maximize. I'm looking at my keyboard while I'm doing it, so my eyes are going down. So you can see these are the two sales. Please mind it, in Alami the royalty is 50%. So the amount which will be added to the cleared balance is half of this amount, right? And when your cleared balance crosses 50 rupee, then you will get the money as a payout, withdrawal payout. Okay? Next, in case of Dreamstime, in Dreamstime, I'm showing you the number of sales. Total income was $7.54, and if I show you the earnings, okay, you'll have an idea what images are selling. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 images have been sold. Among them, 5 images are editorial, right? So I was lucky, but again, it's a sign that editorial images not only sell, they also sell in other medias which are less popular compared to the top 3 that I'm gonna soon talk about, right? Next, in deposit photos, you can see in deposit photos, I had a total of 6 sales and my total earning is $7.63. Okay, if I go to the sold, I don't think I can show you the images right now. Yeah, I can show you definitely. Let me zoom a bit so that you can have some idea. So November 20th, you can see all the sales in November. Mostly these are the images which I took in my lab, hospital and laboratory setting. I'm a doctor, I have access to these kind of images, and I keep telling you guys, whatever you have access to, what is your specialty, what is special in your area, please shoot that only. Don't try to blindly copy others, you won't be able to sustain it for a long time, right? Next is IEM. In IEM, since last month, you can see I made a payout request on the last month, that is 1st November, already $20. It's still pending because I didn't verify the total amount from my email. Okay, I'll need to do that again, but that amount is in standby, so the total payout amount became 0. Ever since that, in last 1 month, I have earned $17.26. Well, you can say how. It's because again I got lucky. One image in Getty Images partner sold for $16.22. Normally, on an average, my earning is $2, $3, $4, $5 maximum, but this time it's really good because of this image, $16.22. That has led to the total amount being $17.26, right? Next, moving on to Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock, in the month of November, my total earning is $17.44. So slowly I'm creeping up to the top. We're already in my top 5. IM was my top 5th. Adobe Stock is my top 4th, right? So you can see all the sales in November that has happened. No such big sales, but I had certainly few sales, $1.98, $1.17, $1.51. But on an average, the least amount you can get in Adobe Stock in the royalty free subscription mode is 0.33, which is 3 times compared to that you get in Shutterstock. Shutterstock, the least you get is 10 cents, right? Next, Wirestock. In Wirestock, it was not bad for the month of November. November 1 to November 30, I got a sale of $22.48. Okay, 30 images sold. Next, top 2, moving on to the top 2. iStock, I already made a video about iStock a few days back, because whenever it's 20th, I make this iStock sales video, right? I love making iStock sales video. Anyway, so it was 88 photos sold and $47.83. I showed you the best sale I had was $9.47 for 2 video. And the least amount I also showed you, which is very pathetic in case of iStock, which is 1 cent and 2 cent, right? I discussed a great detail about how iStock model is. If you want, you can see that video. Definitely is there in my channel. It's lying around. But what we need to know for calculating this month's earning is 47.83. Well, for the new ones, you might tell me, sir, this is October 2022. Well, this is how iStock works. It shows the earning of October on the month of November, 20th of November. So I usually calculate the last month iStock earning and add it to total earning of all the other agencies. And that being said, my total best earning for the month of November, again, number 1 is definitely Shutterstock. In Shutterstock, I had 132 downloads and total $80 as earning. 79.45, it's 80. Among them, I had also had some referral earning. You can see $1.56 is my referral earning. What is referral earning? If some of you has clicked in my referral link, which is below in the description, and you make an account and you sell some photo, then per sale I get $0.04, right? So this is my total referral earning from almost $80. Around $1.50 is my referral earning, which is not much compared to the total earning, but it's a huge thing because I am still getting your support, who has been motivated in stock photography by watching my video. So that's my what can I say, that's my gift, right? And congratulations to all of you who have made good sales in the month of November. Well, let me show you. In the month of November, I actually got lucky because I had one great huge sale, which was this on the 11th of November, almost $35 or one photo, 34.92. On 11th of November, on the same day also, I got another sale of $6. So those two were good sales. For almost $40 I got in one day. Otherwise, my average Shutterstock earnings are around $35 per month. So I have added up all the and let me tell you, my total earning in Shutterstock is more than 3,100, and you can see, right? And if I consider the whole thing, among them the referral earning is a huge, because what happens, the the contributors who sets up new account using my link, the original referrer, that is me, we get paid as a referral earning for the first 2 years. So you can see, initially I had a huge amount of referral earning from all the subscribers, but now what has happened, now I don't get much, because most of you already have crossed 2 years. Most of you who are watching this video might not be watching my video, because already they are master of stock photography. This is how my channel works. People come here, people learn, they become master, and they don't watch my videos. So it's okay for me, but I am happy that I have been able to make a strong community of stock photographers all over India and also my neighboring country, right? Anyway, so I have added the whole thing, and the total amount comes to be $203.495 US. So let me see, 203.495 USD to INR. If I calculate, it's around 16,500 Indian rupee, right? So I am actually very happy with this this month's earning. So if you're watching my video till now, please type the code word happy in the comment section. If you type happy, I'll know that you are watching my videos and you support the content. And please let me know what is your total income in all the agencies, or you may be you have started out and you are running only in Shutterstock. Whatever it is, please let me know your income in the comment section, and I'll be equally motivated to continue this journey with you guys. I have also a great Facebook group, the link to which is also given in the description. You can join that. We have got interesting discussion, photo concepts, everything. And if you want to personally reach out to me, if you want to have my WhatsApp number, if you want to chat with me and take my suggestions, see what I am selling, what are the photos in my portfolio, you can join my channel. Okay, if you join my channel, you will see that you become a member and we can chat on personal level. And a very important information, this amount of earning I have achieved in today's date with a total portfolio size of around 3,300 images across all portfolios. I'm a non-exclusive contributor, and around 2,000 images in the Adobe stock portfolio, right? So that's it. That's it for this month. I guess that for last month, this month has already started, and I wish you all of you guys a very great earning in December. Enjoy winter season, and I see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.